Ask any angler and they will tell you how satisfying it is to enjoy a home-cooked meal of a freshly caught fish because it has an awesome aroma and great taste. However, not many people know how to properly cut or fillet a fish. When most tend to use regular kitchen knives, ideal results can be achieved only while you use the best fillet knife. The amount of options out there on the market is enough to confuse the average person and make them overthink on which one to buy. In this review, we will try to explain to customers about different fish fillet knives. We will try to take a deep look into how different shapes of fillet knives work and which ones are the best for you. So we will be reviewing the top-rated 5 on the market.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Shun is a Japanese company that is well known for making extremely high-quality cutlery. This 6-inch very high-end quality Damascus steel blade is a joy to look at. The craftsmanship used to make this knife is truly astonishing. Having such an amazing steel alloy and blade shape, this knife is used to fillet small to medium-sized fish. The handle on this knife provides it a very slick and unique look. It is made from a very expensive paca wood and it ensures a good and firm grip as well as a magnificent look. Seeing its luxurious look, many people think they can't use this knife for more strenuous work. Do not be scared, this monster of a knife can endure anything. Truly a Japanese masterpiece of a knife. Even this knife is very versatile and extremely high quality and fabulous looks. Overall, definitely a knife that is suited towards true professionals and people who want to look stylish when preparing their food. Millennia knives with unparalleled performance are designed with innovative features to meet the needs of today's professional chefs. This beauty of a fillet knife is commonly loved amongst many people adding professional chefs. Being a crowd favorite must require Mercer Culinary Millennia 8.5-inch narrow fillet knife to have some amazing attributes. The blade of this knife being 8.5 inches will serve you as a knife to fillet some bigger fish such as cod, bluefish, flukes, and others. This blade is also very flexible. Since filleting fish is most of the time a very delicate work, a thinner and more flexible knife will allow you to glide through the flesh without much effort. The handle on this knife is a story of its own. It's a mixture of sandpoprene and polypropylene. This material put together makes this handle magical to have in your hands. The feel is amazing and this combination makes this handle slip resistant even in the worst situations. This handle enters with a finger guard that is again an awesome add-on for safety while using this knife. Overall, this knife is sure to become a favorite in your commercial kitchen. If you want to include a simple-looking fillet knife to your collection, then the Kershaw Clearwater 9-inch fillet knife would be an excellent choice. The Kershaw fillet knife is a highly durable product made in the USA and comes in 7-inch and 9-inch blade options. The latter option is superb if you are looking to fillet a larger fish. The blade is crafted in a corrosion-resistant Japanese 420J2 stainless steel that makes it a brilliant choice for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It is also great to use in the kitchen to handle small to medium-sized fish such as salmon, catfish, and tilapia. Even it enters with an ABS sheath with a holster to protect and store it when granting for easy access while out of water. What is also awesome about this knife is its handle. It comes with a black-colored copolymer handle which gives it a superior grip along with a rubbery texture. This handle is designed built so that you don't experience fatigue while you use it for extended periods. Overall, you will also love that it comes in 2 blade sizes, so you can fillet large and small fish conveniently. The Morakniv Fishing Comfort Fillet Knife is an outstanding knife as it is the only one that has a blade measuring less than 4 inches. The Morakniv Fishing Comfort Fillet Knife is a Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel fillet knife that comes in 2 blade size options that include 3.5 inch and 6.1 inch. It is ideal to remove bones and smaller fish. The blade is particularly known for its high hardness, razor sharpness, corrosion resistance and exceptional toughness. The knife enters with a high friction handle that allows users to maintain the grip while filleting fish. The knife also comes with a tough plastic sheath that provides it included protection while you are on the move or when you need to store it. The Morakniv knife has a superb stainless steel blade that cuts through fish quite efficiently. Moreover, it also comes with an ergonomic handle that doesn't absorb any odors and maintains a good grip. Rapala is one of the most famous knife brands on the market. The Rapala Fish and Fillet Superflex knife is a great product featuring a 6-inch stainless steel hand-ground blade. However, it does come in 4-inch and 7.5-inch blade sizes. The blade is quite thin and flexible. It is designed to allow the user to cut through fish or other foods with absolute ease and with full control. The blade also enters with a non-stick coating that makes slicing fish much easier. The company has crafted the handle from a hand-rubbed baked birchwood. This has an ergonomic design along with a highly comfortable grip. There is also a genuine leather sheath to protect the knife while not in use, and this comes with a belt loop so it stays on you at all times. Overall, you can choose from 3 blade size options that you like, and the blade is strong, thin and flexible, which is especially awesome for your filleting.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.